Check this out, guys. 3:50 in the fucking morning. Y'all see what that is, right? That's all my dad's medicine. Someone dumped out all my peanuts. Someone fucking broke into my car. Look at all this shit. Fucking destroyed my car. Oh my god. Hold on. Fuck. Look at what these motherfuckers did. Stole all my tools. They dumped out, took out everything they wanted. Fucking destroyed all my shit. This is where I'm fucking pissed about. Took everything, destroyed everything. Look at all this nasty shit. Fucking bags. My 20-pound bag of chia, all 3 of them gone. Fucking destroyed my shit. Fucking tried to steal my car. Funny part, both sets of keys were right fucking next to him. Anybody knows me knows I don't fucking take my keys out of my car. Took everything out of the back of the seat. My birth certificate's gone. My fucking passports are gone. Everything I have is fucking gone. Fucking assholes. Straight up took off running too when my dad was coming out for a cigarette to see him. That was so upsetting, dude. Fucking assholes. Motherfucker took my joint. He knocked all my joints out of the car. Those aren't even cigarettes, you dumb fucking idiot. Asshole. 2:50 in the morning, my bad.